Guys, we're at Hoscar Station crossing in Lancashire with Spike Ridge. And the time is 13:38 on Saturday the 9th of April. This is for our northern service, or whatever it's called now, from Manchester Victoria to Manchester. Wait, this is the. Wait, there's another service from Manchester, Southport to Manchester. This is the 1340 from Manchester, Southport to Manchester Airport. And have. I didn't get the number, but that was a loud horn. I didn't get the number, and up they go. From Southport to Manchester Airport now. And thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.